Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the conditional statements in JavaScript. Okay, conditional statements allow us to perform different actions for different conditions. Okay, conditional statements run different code depending on the true or false conditions. Conditional statements include the if else, if, and else, switch statement, and the ternary statements. Okay, we will learn all about these in the upcoming videos. Basically, in this video we will discuss about the if statements in JavaScript. Okay, so what exactly is the syntax? So first of all, we have to add the if block and then open up the parenthesis and then curly braces. Okay, all right, and inside of the parenthesis we have to write a condition. Okay, and if that particular condition is true, then the code inside of these curly braces will run. So let's do that in action. So true. Okay, I am just passing that to true, and console log like, hey, it is true. Okay, all right, so as you can see, we are getting, hey, it is true. Okay, now I can replace the true with a condition as well. So 5 triple equals to 5. If that is true, yes, it is true. So hey, it is true. And if I just do something like not equals to, then we get nothing because there is nothing here inside of the code, right? So yeah, this is basically the if statement. Okay, so let's do that one more time. So let's add a variable, let rating and equals to, let's do something like 10. Okay, all right, and then I can do if, and as you can see, VS Code has the auto completion as well. So if rating, okay, is greater than or equals to 7, then what we can do, we can do console log. Okay, not this one, so let's do console log, hey, this is awesome. Okay, so this is awesome. So hey, this is awesome. And as you can see, we can write multiple if statements inside of the same file or the same code block as well. Okay, so we are having this particular thing inside of the if statement. Okay, now let's do one more thing, right? Let's add a number. So let number equals to, and let's do something like 45. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to print out if the number is a odd number. Okay, so how we can do that? We can do if, okay, then we have to do something like this, and inside of that we have to write our code, basically our boolean logic, okay, which will just simplify to true or false. So what we can do, we can do number, and then we can mod the number by 2. Okay, so we are using the modulo operator, which just returns us the remainder. And if that is equals to 0 or that is equals to 1, to be honest, then what we want to do something like, it is a odd number. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting it is a odd number. So if I just do something like 46, so we are not getting anything. So now you might be thinking like, hey, what if we want to print for the even numbers as well? So how we can do that? We will see that when we will discuss about the if else statement and also the if else if and the else statements in the upcoming videos. Okay, so yeah, this is basically the if statement in action. So if I just do something like this, okay, awesome. So what exactly we have to do? We have to open up the if block, and inside of the parenthesis we have to write our logic, which will just simplifies to true or false. Basically it will be a boolean comparison. Okay, and if that is true, then the code inside of the curly braces will run. If that is false, then nothing will happen, at least for now. Okay, unless we talk about the other statements inside of JavaScript. Okay, awesome. So this is the if statement in JavaScript.